Looking for the best motorcycle intercom that keeps you connected and entertained on every ride? The Packtalk Second Helmet Kit with sound by JBL promises exactly that: clear communication, easy connectivity, and outstanding audio quality all in one package. We realized early on that phone earpieces just don't cut it for riders. So, we shifted our focus entirely to improving the riding experience. Since then, we've been dedicated to creating gear that truly meets riders' needs. The Packtalk system is the result of that commitment, designed to keep you connected with your crew effortlessly, no matter where the road takes you. One of our customers from the U.S. sums it up perfectly. They own 3 of these units for family rides, and the connection is always fast and flawless. When they link up with friends, everyone connects seamlessly using mesh mode, which lets you add riders easily through the app on your phone. That means no dropped calls, no static, just smooth, reliable communication. Battery life is another highlight. With over 8 hours on a single charge, the Packtalk keeps up with your longest trips. Plus, if you want to ride even longer, you can connect it to your bike's auxiliary power supply via cable and never worry about running out of juice. That kind of endurance means your ride stays uninterrupted. And if you care about sound quality, the JBL speakers included with the kit deliver crisp, rich music that transforms your ride. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, your favorite tunes come through with clarity and depth. If you're serious about riding with your friends and family without missing a beat, the Packtalk Second Helmet Kit with JBL sound is worth a look. It's designed for riders who want dependable communication and premium audio wrapped in a sleek, easy-to-use system. Ready to upgrade your ride? Try the Packtalk Second Helmet Kit when you're ready to experience what clear, uninterrupted connection feels like on the road.